Dear viewers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss constructive variants of critical theory, in which the role of Habermas is very important. Habermas is a philosopher and he has developed two most influential theories, which are normative theory and interpretive theory. Normative theory is related to the ethical dimension of the society, and interpretive theory is related to the cultural and historical dimension of society. In this portion of the board, I have written three types of knowledge. After these two initial terms, there are three more terms which are related to three types of knowledge. The first type of knowledge is empirical knowledge, which may also be called scientific knowledge. The second term it is hermeneutic or interpretive knowledge. It is related to understanding and cooperation. And third is critical knowledge, which aims at freeing humans from societal assumptions or the grip of ideology. Now you can see that Habermas is of the view that everything which is related to society is a construct. Even science itself is a construct. Science is not value-free. It means that scientific vocabulary is also based on certain assumptions of good or bad. So here Habermas is synthesizing the two previous assumptions. The first one that empirical knowledge is scientific, and the second one that hermeneutic or interpretive knowledge is based on understanding and cooperation. When we say that science is not value-free, it implies that science is based on such assumptions which make some sort of value judgment. A value judgment means assigning a value like good or bad to something. This topic is not only important, but also it needs to be treated in a detailed manner. I am afraid that we cannot find it out in today's discussion. Inshallah, in the coming days, we will be able to finish it. And I hope you people will have enjoyed today's video. So take good care of yourselves and social media. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.